Hello! Welcome to my kitchen. And today we're going to do Kaldereta Batangas style. Now, Kaldereta, as we know it, is usually cooked with tomato sauce or tomatoes. But this one I found so different because it doesn't use tomato to make the Kaldereta look, and it's cooked with Annatto oil. Now, I want you to take a look at the video that I have already made about how to bleed the Annatto. Okay, and so here we have the different ingredients that go with the Kaldereta, but let me go back on that and mention how I came upon this recipe. Okay, so I don't only go into my library of things that I know how to cook, but I constantly research on how's the better way to prepare something or to cook something, present something. And I read this book written by Bryan, and it's called Milkier, Pigs and Violet Gold. And wow, can you imagine a Singaporean writing about the culture and cuisine of the Philippines? And so I bring it along and just slowly read through the book. And I came across this Kaldereta Batangas style. And I usually like to read what's the ingredients to find out whether, I should read this more or just skip it. And then I saw Annatto oil. I said, Kaldereta with Annatto oil? Well, let me look. And then in it I found that, you have the Annatto oil and onions and garlic and ginger and goat meat. And instead of the other thickener of the other Kalderetas is usually also either the goat liver or pork liver, beef liver that you pound and use to thicken the sauce. Our casserole, and here goes the Annatto oil. Lovely color. Looks good on a dress too. Onions. Look at that. Little fields of gold. So, garlic. Going to be really yummy. And that was the ginger. Stir it a bit. And now ready for the chicken liver. Because we just want to cook the chicken liver and then take them out. Because after the chicken liver has been sauteed here, we're going to mash it because we're going to use it as part of the sauce. Okay, now the chicken livers look like they're cooked. So we take them out. Okay, it might look like this is a lot. Yes, it's a lot. But because I'm making some for myself too. to do now is to sear as much as possible all the sides of the goat. Tossing it around so that all the sides of the cubes are seared, okay? Even just a little. Okay, now we're going to pour in the Chinese rice wine. Why? So that it will help remove some of the gamey smell and taste of the goat. Soy sauce. What we're going to do now is we're going to let it simmer and soften. So maybe an hour or so, and after that is we're going to put the carrots and potato and the chili, so that I don't want to put the chili too early so that it won't be so spicy. Like I said, if you're going to add something, don't do it right on top of what you're cooking, because just in case you put too much of it, then you cannot remedy it anymore. Okay, we will continue to simmer until it's tender. Test it now whether it is tender enough. So what do I use to see whether the meat is tender or the chicken is tender and now the goat is tender is a barbecue stick. Ta-da! Oh, it has resistance. It still needs to cook, but do I adjust the ingredients? Since this dish is a bit on the, a little bit of kick and spice, we'll put part of the chili, the chopped up chili, so that it will start going inside the meat. Cover it so that it can simmer some more. Now we're going to see whether we can now put the potato and the carrots with the caldereta. And like I said, the testing is in the barbecue stick. We have to pinch the meat to see if it goes in very well. Oh, okay. Can be. So first we put in the potato. And then we put in the carrots. And then just a wee bit of the chili, just to spike it a little. Now we're going to simmer it some more, maybe 15-20 minutes before we check it. Now we're going to see whether we can put the liver paste to thicken the sauce. We're going to test whether the potatoes are already cooked by also skewering them with the barbecue stick. That's okay.
That's
Okay. Okay, so now we're going to put some of the liver that has been mashed. But we don't just dunk it in. What we're going to do is we're going to get a bit of the liver paste, a little of the sauce. Now we're going to make thinner paste. And then we're going to add it. Then we're going to mix. See, it thickens the sauce, but we have, it mustn't taste too much of liver. So we have to put it little by little. Okay, now we have to taste. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit. A little tip. So just in case you can't find fresh chicken liver, what you can do is open up a can of liver spray. Put a little bit, and you have also something almost the same, not quite, but good enough. And we're done. Ready to eat. Come on. This is Kaldereta Batangas style. Or something easy. I hope you get to try cooking this someday. Let me know in the comments below how yours turns out. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell so you know when I have a new video. See you in the next recipe. Toodaloo.
Ayan, mabubusog ka na naman. Ayun nangyari last time. Pagkasubo, biglang nabilabukan.
Liitan mo lang yan.